Let's learn sorry. Oops. Oh no. I'm sorry, Kai. Forgot me. I'll help fix it. Thank you, Moo Moo. I forgive you. That's silly. I'm sorry I hurt your feelings. You're not silly. You're smart and creative. I forgive you. Let's build together. Want to play blocks? Not right now. That's okay. I'll wait. Sorry and forgive together.